Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very beautiful and very cute bucket hat. I use velvet yarn and 10mm crochet. Make a magic circle. Insert your hook into this yarn. Make a chain. Mark this chain. This is first chain. Insert your hook into magic circle. Bring yarn, pull through. Bring yarn, pull through. Make single crochet. Bring yarn, pull through. Four, 5, 6, 7. I made 7 single crochet. With this chain I have 8 stitches. Insert your hook into this chain, mark the chain. Slip a stitch. Go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet. 1, 2 single crochet. 1, 2 single crochet. Insert your hook into last stitch. Make 2 single crochet. A slip stitch. One chain. Go to first stitch. Make 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, make 2, 1, 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochet. 1 single crochet in last stitch. Now I have 24 stitches in this row. Go to first chain, a slip stitch, make 1 chain, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 2 single crochet, 1, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 2 1 1 1 2, and continue. Now we have 32 stitches in this row. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 single crochet in first stitch and 1 single crochet in each stitch. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now we have 8 stitches, 16 stitches, 24 stitches, 32 stitches, and after this row we have 32 stitches in each row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 row. Make a chain, one single crochet, 1 2 stitch in first row, 1 2 single crochet in next stitch. Go to next stitch, 1 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1 2 single crochet, 1 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in each stitch. A slip stitch, one chain, 1 single crochet in first stitch, 1 single crochet in each stitch. A slip stitch, make a chain in this row, in last row insert your hook in previous stitch, this stitch, bring yarn, pull through, go to previous stitch, bring yarn, pull through, go to previous stitch, bring yarn, pull through.